Hello everyone, so this is Professor Nisar Shaikh. So in this video we are going to see actually what is meant by the solid, then what are the different types of the solids, okay, and so it's basic terminology related to the solids, so that we are going to see in this video. Okay, so let us start. So types of solids. So before that, so what is meant by the solid? Okay, actually what are these fundamental solids are there? So these are the three-dimensional figures which can be described with the help of the parameters like that, its uh, uh, length, its height, okay, then its diameter, etc. Okay, so these are the solids are there, and if you see, so basically, so whatever these solids are there, so it is divided into the two types. Okay, so that means first one is the polyhedron, okay, and second one is the solids of revolution. Okay, and then so whatever this polyhedron is there, okay, so first type polyhedron, so again it is divided into the two types, that is the prism, and the second one is the pyramid. Okay, so first of all we'll see so what is meant by the prism. Okay, so whatever the prism is there, so if you'll see here, okay, so whatever its bottom face is there, so it's identical with respect to the its top face. Okay, and it is formed by using so this faces. Okay, so that time, so this prism, so it will be formed. Okay, and whatever this edge is there, okay, of this its base, so that we are calling it as a base edge. Okay, and so this edge is there, so we are calling it as a lateral edge. Okay, and now so we'll come to the pyramid. Okay, so if you want to define pyramid, so I'll back to the prism. So if you see here, so in case of the prism, so whatever its bottom face and the top face, so these are the identical one. Okay, now if we'll convert this its top face in the form of the apex, okay, then pyramid will be formed. Okay, if you see here, so it's a square pyramid, so it has a square base, and whatever its upper face, so it is converted into the apex, means it has a apex and it has a square base. Okay, now so in the same way, so this whatever this AB, so we can call it as a base edge, means AB, BC, CD, DA, so all these are the base edges. Okay, and here, so whatever this OA, OB, OC, OD, all these are the lateral edges. Okay, and as it is slant one, so that's why we can call it as a slant edge also for this lateral edge. Okay, so this is about the pyramid. Now we'll come to the solids of the revolution. In case of the solids of revolution, so there are the two types are there. So as already I have told, that is the first one is the cone and second one is the cylinder. Okay, now in case of the cone or in case of the cylinder, so it don't have any flat surfaces. So instead of flat surfaces, so it has the curved surfaces. Okay, means if you see cone, so it also has a curved surface. So what is the cylinder? So it has also curved surfaces. Okay, now in case of the cone, so it has a apex, and so it has a its bottom as a circular one. Okay, and so whatever the line, so joining from its apex to the any point of its base circle, okay, that we are calling it as a generator. Okay, means whatever the line you are going to draw from its apex to the any point, means suppose I will draw here from this point to the this point of the base circle, then so that we can call it as a generator. Okay, so these are the generators are there. Okay, and this O1, O2, so this is the axis of the cone. Now next, so cylinder, so as already we discussed, so whatever its bottom face is there, so it's identical with the top one, is so this is the circular base, and also top face is also a circular one. Okay, and it has curved surface, so we are knowing. Okay, so here also, so whatever the line, so joining from its top face to the its point of the bottom face, okay, or it's the bottom circle, so so here also we are calling it as a generator. Means so any line, so that joins its top and bottom face, so that we can call it as a generator. Okay, so this is about the solids of revolution, cone and the cylinder. So shortly once again I'll revise this. So what is meant by the solids? Means solids are the fundamental three-dimensional figures which can be described with the help of the parameters like length, height, width, diameter, etc. Okay, and it is classified into the two types. First one is the polyhedron, second one is the solids of revolution. And so whatever the polyhedron, so in that target two types are there, prism and the pyramid. And in case of the solids of revolution, cone and cylinder will come. Okay, and so we have seen what is meant by the prism. So in the prism, so whatever its bottom and the top faces, these are the identical, okay, which is connected by this this lateral faces. Okay, and in case of this pyramid, so whatever its upper face is there, so it is converted in the form of the apex. Okay, then so pyramid will be formed. Okay, and then so whatever these edges are there, means O to A, O to B in case of the pyramid, or in case of the this prism, you will see C to 3, then B to 2, A to 1, or the D to 4. All these are the lateral edges. Okay, and B to C, C to D, D to A to B. So these are the base edges. So in case of this pyramid also, base edges are there and lateral edges are there. So in case of the pyramid, so this lateral edge again we can call it as a slant edge. And we have seen cone and cylinder. So in case of the cone and cylinder, so it don't have the flat surfaces, it have the curved surfaces. Okay, so that's all about this. Okay, so just I will show here one actual model. Means in case of the pyramid, you will see so this edges, so whatever means this is the apex is there. Okay, and so whatever this line, so joining to its base one, okay, means this line, so we are calling it as a this lateral edge, so which again we are calling it as a slant edge. Okay, and what is meant by base edge? So this is the base edge, you will see. Okay, so this is the slant or the lateral edge and the base edge in case of the pyramid. And now we'll see about the prism also. I will show the actual model of the prism also. Okay, so this is the actual hexagonal prism. So here, so whatever this is there, means this edge, whatever you are able to see, so this we are calling it as a lateral edge. Okay, and whatever this edge is there, so this one, all this one, these are the base edges. Okay, and you will see, so whatever is the top face and the bottom face, so these are the identical one. Okay, and so just I have told that, so in case of pyramid, so whatever its bottom face is there. Okay, so this one, so whatever its pentagonal. Okay, if it is pentagonal prism, so whatever its bottom is there, so it is pentagonal you will get. Okay, and whatever its top is there, so it is in the form of the apex. Okay, so this is about the prism and the pyramid. Okay, so this is about the just I will show the actual model of the cone. Okay, so you will see whatever its base is there, so it is the circular one, and its top is in the form of the apex. As I told, so what is meant by generator? Means whatever the line you are going to draw from its apex, okay, or the line which is going to join from its apex to the any point of this base circle, so that we call it as a generator. Okay, and same thing is there in case of the cylinder also. Means whatever the so line joining from its top face circles to the bottom face circle, so that we are calling it as a generator. Okay, so we'll stop here. So thank you.